Alright, man, so I'm done with the center console. I restored it to, my liking. It's not a high dollar car, so I don't care about stock or anything like that. But, I, the carpet that they sell for down here is kind of expensive, but it comes with some kind of a hard piece on it, to meet down with the carpet. So I just used some old vinyl floor and I just heat gun the contour of it, and it fit perfect. I went with the carbon fiber. Just squirt a little Windex on it. You can float it into exactly where you want it, so it fits all in here real nice. I polished up this chrome as good as it is. And it opens and closes nice now, so there's a lot of crap built up in here over the 50 years it's been, existing. I ended up using some aluminum in here, and I just polished it with some metal polish. I put a polishing wheel on my grinder, and it came out really shiny, man. Look at that. The leather I used. I had an old leather jacket that was ripped, and I didn't want it anymore, so I made this out of that. And then I folded it around the bottom of this L bracket aluminum, or whatever you want to call it, that I bought from Lowe's, actually. Here's some nice finish washers with some Phillips head screws in the middle. Actually kind of reminds me of the way one of my buddies did his Coronet back in the 80s. He used a lot of these. He did button tuck on his heel, and it looked really, really cool. I had to makeshift this because I wanted the original console, but I wanted a different shifter. So what I did in here is I folded a number 10 electrical wire in here so that I can unfold the front of this and make it as big or as small as I want. I could actually crimp this almost and wrap it right around this. And I put it in the front so you don't really see it. And listen to that leather sound, man. That's nice, thick leather. And I hand sewed all this by hand. And it kind of gives a character, you can see it's handmade. So, and that's really about it, man. I'm now going to hit it with a new paint job along here. It'll have carpet along there to hide those screws. I could almost leave it like this, so it looks pretty nice. But it's going to have carpet on it. And that's it for that. That's the restoration of my center console. Done to my liking. It's not done stock or anything like that. So, all right, guys. You'll have a good one.